Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Brake sign and message. Okay, air condition is working. The brake has been done. They changed the sensor. They say sensor is not reading, so they pay for the sensor almost $21. And then let's see what happened now. Emo. No, I'm gonna go to diagnose. BMW X5 2013 auto detect. That thing is commanded by the ABS module. We decode the car X5 2013. We're gonna read the car using 608. I want to see if this problem is from this is the part have to be replaced. So let's see. Or do I need to clear the code? I'm not sure. Okay, diagnose, auto scan. Brake pad wear. Maybe it's time to change the brake pad. I don't know. After you change it, you need to clean it. I'm gonna see. Dynamic stability. I'm gonna go to the report. It says present. Have to be reviewed. Erase the disk. It's supposed to erase. If it doesn't erase, that means there is a problem. Maybe he tried a couple of times. Still there. Present. Erase. Doesn't go away. I don't have nothing here. Okay. This car, we have to look for this wire. We did erase, doesn't go. What do you think now to do? Let me go to the service. Quick service. You cannot reset sometime if there is a problem or code. Let me see what I have. Rear brake availability 0. Front brake 70 something. Okay. Reset this. You cannot do it. No, you're gonna do it. Yes, it's possible. So the brake pad here, we have 100%. And now the piece is gone. Wow. So the brake pad, it will eliminate for 2 reasons. If the brake pad is finished, you have to replace it. Also, if the brake pad is not finished but the service is done, also you have to program it. So we're done now after we did that. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.